Options are the financial derivatives. Options are the derivatives contracts where the buyer of the option pays the premium to purchase the right to buy or sell an underlying asset, and seller of the option or writer of the option receives the premium and has an obligation to sell or buy the underlying asset. Styles of options are European options and American options. European options are the options which can be settled only on the date of expiry, and American options are the options which can be settled any time on or before expiry. In National Stock Exchange in India, we are working with the American style of options. It means our position can be settled any time on or before expiry. For instance, if one speculator has the long call position for Reliance stock derivatives, and 2 days upward movement in the Reliance for the next two sessions is giving the profit to the speculator. So speculator can sell that position even if that is not the expiry date. If there is any opportunity to earn the profits, or even the position can be settled for the other motives also before expiry. Types of options. Types of options are call option and put options. And some important terminologies related to the options are intrinsic value. Intrinsic value is the value for which the option is in the money. That is strike price minus spot price in case of put option, and spot price minus strike price in case of call option. Time value is the value charged from the buyer because of the difference between the date of the contract and expiry of the contract, and it decreases as the expiry comes nearer, and at the time of expiry the time value is 0. Premium of the option is the summation of the intrinsic value and time value, and at the time of expiry the premium is equal to intrinsic value. Intrinsic value in case of call option, say for example, when we talk about the call option of Nifty, and the traded price of Nifty is 9,000 currently, and the strike price is 8,800, for which we are buying the call option. So intrinsic value is 9,000 minus 8,800, that is 200. And in case of put option, say for example current trading price is 9,000 and we are buying the put option for 9,200. So option is in the money by 200, that is strike price of 9,200 minus spot price of 9,000, that is 200. Call option. Call option, when we explain the call option is the option where the buyer of the option is paying the premium to purchase the right to buy the particular asset or buy the particular underlying, and writer of the option is receiving the premium and has an obligation to sell that asset. And put option is the contract where the buyer of the option is paying the premium to purchase the right to sell the asset, and seller of the option is or writer of the option is receiving the premium and has an obligation to buy that asset. And in India mainly the options are traded for stocks, for index example, and Nifty, Bank Nifty, etc., CNX IT, then currency options and commodity options. Uh, why we use option? What are the uses of the options? Options can be used for the purpose of speculation, hedging, and arbitrage. In case of speculation, the trader has is having the naked position. For example, trader is buying call without having any position in underlying, selling put option, or selling call option or buying put option without having any position in the underlying. These are some of the examples of the position taken by the speculators, or some of the trading strategies followed by the speculators. Then hedging is done by taking the position in the option. If a particular investor is having the position in the underlying, as well as in between two options, we can hedge over, we can take the hedging position. For example, we are having the long position of 500 stocks in Reliance, and the lot size of options is 250 in case of Reliance. So we can buy two lots of put options to hedge the positions, or we can sell two lots of call options to hedge that position. So protective call, protective put, and long call and long put having the position in the underlying. These are some of the examples of the hedging for the derivatives. And arbitrager can take the position if there is opportunity of earning some amount or profit between the two expiries, even two expiries of the options or two contracts of the options. So even the price difference between the underlying and the options, that is also an opportunity for the arbitrator to earn the profit. So straddle, strangle, butterfly, etc. are the examples which can be used by the arbitrator to earn the profits. This time